Hello, everyone. It's that time of the year again. I'm running my one and only sale of the year, my holiday sale. Whether you're celebrating Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Festivus, or whatever, now is the perfect time to grab those lessons you've been thinking about at a huge discount. Right now, you can get a 50% discount on all of my courses, lessons, seminars, templates, and handbooks with a minimum order of $100. And if you've been thinking about becoming a member, now's the time. My Tech Help and Online Learning Partner memberships are also available on my website with a special bonus. Sign up for a year and get an extra month free. Just visit the link shown right there. I'll also put a copy of it down below that you can click on. And you'll get all the details. And yes, I did decide to have some fun this year and tell AI to make me Santa Claus. It actually turned out better than my attempts at hanging out with Rudolph. See what I mean? It's not great. So, if you've been wanting to expand your skills in Microsoft Access or anything else that I teach, now is the best time. Grab your favorite lessons, join my membership community, take your learning to the next level. But remember, this is a limited time offer. The sale runs through the end of the year, and you have to use the link on this page to get the special price. Oh, and current members, don't worry, Santa's got a little extra holiday cheer coming your way soon too. Check your email in the next couple days for a special something. And that's it. Have a wonderful holiday season. Happy learning, everyone. And as always, live long and prosper.